Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin and give you guys a quick update on where I think we could be headed here within the market. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at $68,933, just a little bit underneath where we were trading at just yesterday. We're seeing some choppy moves playing out, Bitcoin being down about 4.26% on the day. But Bitcoin dominance, trading at 52.34%, is basically increasing slowly. When you exclude stablecoins, we're basically at 54.33%. I do expect it to continue to climb up to that 57 to maybe even the 60% Bitcoin dominance level. And I do want to talk about that briefly here, because you can see when we look at some trend lines on the Bitcoin dominance chart that we have been flirting with that 54 to 55% level. Now, the question is, can you really chart out Bitcoin dominance? Can you really do technical analysis on it? In my opinion, yeah, I think there's some validity to certain trend lines in it, but all in all, whether or not the money is going to flow into Bitcoin or altcoins really depends on, well, what Bitcoin decides to do, the 4-year cycle, and the overall macroeconomics of the world. But right now, I do see that Bitcoin is getting rejected. The Bitcoin dominance levels is getting rejected off about that 54.6%. Now, I must say that this move is starting to coil up and get a little bit tighter, and it's starting to form a little bit of curvature to the upside. I do think that it'll probably play out to the upside, breaking above that 55% level very shortly, because, guys, we are only 11 days away from the Bitcoin halving. We saw that little bit of an impulse wave to the upside on Bitcoin, but like I've been saying, I expect sideways price action here. Anytime you see a big wick to the upside followed by a big wick to the downside, all we're doing is cleaning up the leverage and stop loss hunting, liquidating the longs, liquidating the shorts. And I continue to believe that we're going to continue to see this play out until we reach the halving, and honestly probably a little bit after the halving, until we see a larger move to the upside, which is when you'll see Bitcoin dominance make that break above 55% and probably hit 57%. Bitcoin needs to steal the show after the halving. That's what happens every single time around the halving. We see Bitcoin dominance rally significantly. Whenever it's a big move to the upside, or even a swift move to the downside to kind of shake out some players before we reach the new bull market cycle top, which, guys, that's something else we need to talk about, because everyone's really calling that the top is in here and there. And when you really zoom out and you go to the higher term time frames, right now we're looking at the daily, but when you look over at the weekly and even the monthly, something that I will not steer away from is this 60 line on Market Cipher, this white line right here. Until we see this blue momentum wave come below that, the bull market's still on. We're going to go higher for longer. And honestly, the sideways price action we're seeing right now is an indication that the bull market will continue for a longer period of time and will reach higher prices. Bearish short term is bullish long term. That's what I'm reading when I see all this. Now, guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Just wanted to give you a quick update on my opinion on where I think we're at in the market. Thank you so much for helping us break 16,600 subscribers. We're almost at 17K. Please subscribe. Also, check out some awesome referral links down below. We have a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you got to do is click the link in the description box below, and all you got to do is deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. Also, please go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm very active over there. Just gave away $100 of the Crow coin to one of you guys who follow me on Instagram. I'm doing all these giveaways here and there, so please go follow me there. But that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.